Looking for a simple way to connect your computer to an HDTV or projector? This 6-foot DisplayPort to HDMI cable makes it easy to stream video and audio from your laptop or desktop to a larger screen. Whether you're watching movies, giving presentations, or extending your workspace, this cable delivers clear, sharp visuals and sound without hassle. What sets this cable apart is its support for video resolutions up to 4K at 30 Hz, ensuring your content looks crisp and detailed. It also carries uncompressed digital audio, including 7.1.5.1 or 2-channel sound, so you get rich, immersive audio alongside your high-definition video. Plus, it's built with gold-plated connectors and foil-and-braid shielding to minimize interference and maintain signal quality. This cable is unidirectional, designed specifically to transmit from a DisplayPort source to an HDMI display. That means it won't work the other way around or with USB ports. It's perfect for connecting DisplayPort-enabled desktops or laptops to HDMI monitors, TVs, or projectors. Just plug it in and enjoy seamless, plug-and-play functionality, no drivers or software needed. I was hesitant at first because of the low price compared to some branded cables. But after trying it, I was genuinely surprised. The connection was instant, the picture was flawless, and the sound was clear. It worked right out of the box without any compatibility issues, unlike some more expensive options I tried before. For the price, it's a smart choice that doesn't compromise on performance. Keep in mind, this cable doesn't support LVDS signal sources like audio, video players and isn't compatible with Thunderbolt docks. If you need a straightforward way to link your computer's DisplayPort to an HDMI display, this cable fits the bill perfectly. It's durable, reliable, and delivers exactly what you need for everyday use. If you're ready to upgrade your setup with a dependable DisplayPort to HDMI cable that handles 4K video and rich audio, this is worth a look. It simplifies your connection, enhances your viewing experience, and keeps things affordable. Try it when you're ready to see the difference for yourself.